So numbers help your business grow, and numbers are the things to know. Hey, okay, I'm Borat, so I'm Serena.
And I'm Mahmood.
And we're the Numbers Rockstars. Okay, so today we're going to talk about numbers and how they can help you with your business. Over to Mahmood.
Thank you very much, Serena. So, who's your best friend in your business? What's the best thing you can turn to? Numbers. Numbers are your best friend. They won't lie to you. They won't let you down. They're there to navigate through turbulent times. They're there in times of prosperity and in times of calm. You need to know what things are costing you, how much profit you're making, the customers that you love, the customers that aren't so lovely in terms of profitability terms, which direction you want to go to, your planning, making yourself accountable, lots of things that numbers help you with. So you need to try and get rid of any phobia you have about numbers, and you need to grab your numbers by the scruff, get friendly with them, and navigate your business to prosperity. Thank you very much, everyone.
Okay, guys, so love your numbers. Over to the website, LinkedIn, get all the information, have a little look at your numbers. If you've got problems with your numbers, give us a call. Till next time, ciao.
Ciao.